catastrophic claims. Well, the school year has just begun, but if you have a high school junior or senior, no doubt you're already thinking about college.
U.S. News and World Report has released its list of the top colleges in the country. And number one is the fourth oldest college in the U.S., Princeton. Harvard comes in second place, and the University of Chicago in Illinois comes in third. Now, as for Indiana schools, IU and Notre Dame tied for the 9th best business school, while Purdue ranked 23rd in the same category. For the 18th year in a row, Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology was ranked the top undergraduate engineering college. And for the 10th year in a row, Taylor University was the #1 Midwest college among schools that focus on undergraduate education. Butler was ranked #2 in regional universities. And Purdue University has a record number of students on campus this year. Enrollment now stands at 40,451 students. That's 1,000 more students than last year. The freshman class is the largest since 2006 with more than 7,200 students. It includes students from 48 of 50 states and 68 countries, and they have an average GPA of 3.74. Also, IU's Bloomington campus has a record 43,000 students in school this semester.